Okay, so this is just going to be a quick video showing you how to install battle.net on CachyOS. I'm not sure if it works on Vanilla Arch. I'm going to try that, but this is CachyOS, more geared towards gaming. So let's open a terminal. As you can see, this is CachyOS. Very basic PC. I'm a Starcraft 2 player, so I have to have this game on my system. So all you have to do is sudo pacman -s, and then it's okay. I just put in the -- needed. There it is, -- needed. So if you have the packages on your system, it won't reinstall them. Then the meta command is, or the CachyOS gaming command is CachyOS -gaming -meta. It will install everything that you need in the background to install battle.net, and then winetricks, obviously. So I'm just gonna run that, and it's just gonna run through it quickly. Okay, yeah, it's already installed. And then you obviously need Lutris to install. Lutris is the gaming platform that you need to install the battle.net launcher. So again, just sudo pacman. I have paru on here. Let's see, paru -s. Paru is the same as yay. -s Lutris. Right, so it's basically installed. Just gonna run through it again, and now you can use your application manager to open Lutris. So just open Lutris. Right, as you can see, I installed it already because it's still a nightmare because I'm running it on a virtual machine. If you're running it on bare metal, it is easier to install it. As long as you install that CachyOS Gaming Meta, you'll be good. Right, so you'll be greeted with this Lutris window without the Blizzard battle.net logo. All you have to do is click on the plus sign, and then this first one, search the Lutris website for installers. Type in battle.net. Right, there's the first one, battle.net. Click on it, and then you will see it. Then you can basically just say install. It will create the folders for it, and you can say continue. There's the thing that it will install, and then say install, but I'm not going to install it now, and it will install. If there's any other problems, then there's other problems, because I had to crawl through literal glass to get it to work. But it's because of the VM. On hardware, it's much easier. Install it on my second hardware, on my second box, and it was much more straightforward. It just basically downloads it and install it. But yeah, not everybody is gonna have the same experience. I think there's gonna be a lot of issues, and it is what it is. Let me just quickly check. Now you might have to change a few things. Let me just quickly check now. If you go to wine and yeah, okay, so let me just show you quickly what I did. So if for some reason it crashes, go to wine and click on the gear icon to get into the runner options. Now in here, in the wine version, you can try the default one, wine GE, and go with that. But if there is a, like this one, Proton CachyOS SLR, if that is there, try that one. If it fails, come in and try that, save it, and yeah, see if it installs. So once it is finished installing and it shows this icon, you obviously want to run it. But don't log in the first time it tells you to log in. Just close it out, close Lutris, and then reopen Lutris, and then click on the icon here, either double click on it or say play. Now mine just crashes out because this is a virtual machine. I have to install a bunch of other crap. I don't know what. I don't care about this. It is working on my bare metal and I'm going to make a video about that. But I mean, if you get this far, then the battle is already won. It is just the virtual machine being shitty because of the, I think it's the drivers, the virtual drivers, that's screwing around. Right, and there you go. There's just a bogus email, and then you put in your password. But you can see it's a bit buggy, and it will freeze after a while. But this is definitely a VM problem. On bare metal, I actually downloaded. I'm busy downloading Starcraft 2, so it's working. Right, that's it. So I just wanted to show you that you can actually get Starcraft on Arch, especially CachyOS. If you're a gamer, install CachyOS. It's just better. It comes with everything optimized. So yeah, good.